Welcome once again to Zodiac Astrology. This is where you get a brighter day with Vedic astrology to guide you over the sea of life. This is my continuing tarot series, a reading for all ascendants in the Earth Trine for the period April 3rd to 16th, 2022. This is Tarot Week 14 and 15. This is an informational slide on the Earth Trine and how they are formulated in Vedic astrology. My subscribers and clients will be familiar with this slide. Should you be a new client or subscriber, please visit my website, or you can look at my previous videos to get a full explanation on this. Should you have any questions or queries, drop me a line at ZDAMastrology or zeta55@outlook.com. The informational slides continue with this slide where I am showing you as to the zodiac signs, the fire, earth, air and water trines. So again, should you have any questions, please drop me a line or visit me at zedamastrology.com. The final of the informational slides giving you the trine synergy in Vedic astrology and its alignment with tarot. Again, you can look at it at your leisure, read it at your leisure, view it at your leisure, or look at my previous videos where I go through it in detail. Drop me a line should you have any queries on this. Okay, here we have the selection of the tarot spread for the Earth Trine for the period that we are dealing with in this video, April 3rd to the 16th. And at the end of the day, you know, it's always a change here at Zodiac Astrology. We don't do routine, we don't do boring, as I keep saying, and I always like to give you, my clients or subscribers, a choice, so that I ask that you share, sign up and subscribe to Zodiac Astrology and the YouTube channel. So let's see what the tarot spread is going to bring for us for the Earth Trine. And let's see, the first card that we're going to have, the core of this reading, it's going to be the Five of Swords. That's the core, that's the foundation, that's the whole premise of this. Then we have the Queen of Wands, followed by the Ten of Pentacles, then the Three of Pentacles and the King of Swords. And there we have the cross that we are going to look at as our core. The peripheral cards, the first one is Strength, then the second is the Three of Swords. So we have quite a few swords in this reading and pentacles, the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups. So this is our 9-card spread for the Earth Trine. Let us see what this brings to us in Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay, we come to the Earth Trine now, where we are going to look at the cards, the same 9-card spread, but in a different format. And the core that we have here for the Tarot Week 14 and 15 for the Earth Trine is the Five of Swords. And the Five of Swords is all about force, battle, attack, you know, arguments, being a bully, not acknowledging that you didn't do it by yourself. So that this is you at this point in time where you are thinking all about yourself, being selfish, having a power struggle with yourself. You know, your arguments and breakdown in communication is all about your ego. So you have to look at yourself for this period and understand if that's who you want to be. You know, that's fine. That's fine for you, but would it be fine for others? And then we have the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands here is a strong, capable, assertive and visionary person, very ambitious. Is this person goading you? Is this person a part of you being in that battle mode, in that attack mode, or having arguments? Is it a battle of power or ego here? You know, this Queen of Wands is very assertive. So is there some lady in your life be it your mother, your wife, a friend, a boss, who may be, giving you some kind of hard time, that has put up your back, that you want to become an argumentative bully, that you want to attack, that you want to have a battle with this person. Where is this going? And then you have the Ten of Pentacles. It's going where you want to have lasting success or a promotion. You want to have comfort, you want to be strong. But this assertive person there is goading you and bringing to you arguments. Do you really want that? Because this Ten of Pentacles is all about being strong. But being strong in battle or attack, is that what you want, or do you want to be more subtle? Sometimes, you have to take the initiative and be offensive rather than defensive. Is this one of those times? You need to just read the situation, and let's continue and see. The Three of Pentacles tells you that you want recognition, you want growth. You want to have a mentor, you want to be a mentor. So if you want to be a mentor, is battling and attacking the right way, having arguments going to bring you that mentorship, that solid foundation or recognition? Is it that this is what the cards are telling you, that you have to battle? Because it seems to be that your position right now is going to bring you promotions and lasting success and achievements. So let's see again. Then we have the King of Swords, and the King of Swords is all about authority, transformation, solid guidance, expert advice, law and enforcement. So enforcement does denote force, it does denote doing something that is required of you, a duty, an ambition. So is this Five of Swords telling you that while there may be somebody assertive in your life pushing you, this may very well bring to you success that will give you a solid foundation or achievement, because you are getting expert guidance on law and enforcement, which will give you the authority and transformation that you need. And the peripheral cards here is strength, and strength is all about abundance, stability, purity, fearlessness. So the cards seem to be telling you that, okay, the Five of Swords is all about being strong. It's all about claiming that battle and that attack. Take in front before in front take you, as we say. And the Three of Swords here, in fact, the Five of Swords, and then we have the Three of Swords here, which is telling us it might bring you a little heartbreak, a little grief, but you're getting to the heart of the matters through these arguments. Because the Three of Swords also is about arguments, and the Five of Swords coupled with the Three of Swords gives you that diametric opposition, but it doesn't. It's supporting the Five of Swords. It's supporting the arguments that you are going to make. So probably it's time for you to take action, but action through your words, not action in the wands, is action through your words, because the swords are all about intellectual capacity and mind games, right? And then we have the Knight of Cups, where it's opportunities are being offered to you. Follow your heart. This, you are dreaming, yes, and so make a move. So you need to make a move through the Five of Swords and the Three of Swords that will give you the control that you want, the authority that you want, the opportunities that are open in front of you. And the King of Cups gives you control over your emotions. So you are not emotional about this, even though the Five of Swords is about arguments and battles and having not a bully, but having a strong person in your life. The King of Cups tells you that it's not an emotional decision. You know that you're on the right path. You know that it is time for action through your words and your communication and your mind. You know you are thinking about having success and comfort and achievement and growth, and those things are good for you this period. Those things are what you require to do for this period. So Taurus, Virgo, And Capricorn, it seems that some battles are there in front of you that you will be happy to enter into for this period. And those battles are going to bring out your strength, your purity, your expertise. You are going to be strong, you are going to be comfortable, and you are going to get the ambition that you want, the growth that you want, and a solid foundation with stability. So Taurus, Earth Trine, this is a good time for you with your mind and intellect. This is the end of the video for the Earth Trine for Tarot Week 14 and 15. Bhagwan's blessings to you and yours. I hope that you continue to be safe, happy and healthy until we meet again. See you next time. Bye.